A 4K monitor that can switch to 360 Hz for competitive gaming? Sounds insane, right? But is this actually the best of both worlds? Or just a gimmick? So today, we're checking out the LG UltraGear 27G810A. This is a 27-inch gaming monitor that's trying to do something really ambitious. Combine high-resolution 4K visuals with ultra-fast refresh rates for esports-level performance. On paper, it sounds like the ultimate gaming monitor, but does it actually deliver? All right, here's what makes this monitor interesting. This is a 27-inch IPS panel with a native 4K resolution. So that's 3840 by 2160. Right away, you're getting sharp visuals, great detail, and solid color accuracy, which is already a big plus if you play story-driven or visually rich games. But here's the twist. It has something called dual mode. Basically, you can switch between 4K at up to 180 Hz or 1080p at up to 360 Hz. So depending on what you're playing, you can either prioritize visuals or raw speed. That's actually pretty unique. It also comes with a 1 millisecond response time, plus support for both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync, which helps reduce screen tearing and keeps gameplay smooth. On top of that, you've got display HDR support, so it can handle brighter highlights and better contrast. Though, let's be real, HDR on gaming monitors is usually decent, not mind-blowing. Design-wise, it's very UltraGear. Clean, minimal, with some gamer aesthetics, but nothing too over the top. And unlike cheaper monitors, this one actually has a more adjustable stand, which is nice. Let's start with the pros. The biggest highlight is obviously dual mode. Being able to switch between 4K and 360 Hz is genuinely useful. If you play both competitive shooters and cinematic games, this is super convenient. Second, image quality. The IPS panel delivers solid colors and sharp visuals, especially in 4K. It's great not just for gaming, but also for content consumption. Third, high refresh rate flexibility. 180 Hz at 4K is already impressive, and 360 Hz at 1080p is top tier for esports. Now, the downsides. First, price. This is not a cheap monitor. You're definitely paying a premium for that dual mode feature. Second, you need a powerful PC. To actually use 4K at high refresh rate,
only tilt adjustment feels a bit limiting. If you want proper ergonomics, you'll probably need a monitor arm. And lastly, while it's fast, it's not the absolute best in motion handling compared to higher-end esports monitors. So if you're super competitive, there are still better and more expensive options out there. Now, I checked what real users are saying, and honestly, the feedback is pretty consistent. A lot of people love how smooth 240 Hz feels, especially for FPS games. Some even mentioned that it noticeably improved their reaction time. Not magically, but enough to feel the difference. Others appreciated the color quality. For a gaming monitor, it's surprisingly decent for casual content, like watching videos or editing. But not everything is perfect. Some users pointed out that the stand is kind of a letdown. It's usable, but definitely not premium. A few also mentioned that if you're not hitting high FPS consistently, you're not really maximizing the monitor. So if your PC isn't powerful enough, you might not fully benefit from that 240 Hz. So is this the perfect FPS gaming monitor? Honestly, it depends on you. If you're a competitive gamer who plays fast-paced shooters and wants a smooth, responsive experience, this is a really solid choice. But if you care more about resolution, design, or premium features, you might want to look at higher-end options. For its price and performance, though, it's hard to complain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.